In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event-based automation in Hubspot. This process is a fantastic way to streamline your follow-up communications after meeting potential clients at events like trade shows or conferences, ensuring that you stay top of mind in an efficient and organized manner. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. If you're not familiar, Hubspot is a comprehensive software platform that supports various aspects of your business, from marketing to sales and customer service. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the page, and you should see a Login button. Clicking here will prompt you to log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, and if there's a Keep Me Logged In option, it might be useful to select this to save time in the future. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Hubspot home. Here, you can access all the tools and features Hubspot offers. For our task today, we'll focus on the automation tools. Locate and click on the Automations tab in the menu. This is where HubSpot groups its automation features, which are essential for setting up sequences that nurture potential clients and maintain engagement over time. Inside the automation section, you'll want to look for an option labeled Sequences. Click on Sequences. Sequences in HubSpot allow you to create a series of automated steps that can include emails, tasks, or notifications, guiding prospects through your engagement process. Following that, you'll see a Create Sequence button. Click on this to begin crafting your automated sequence. This is where the magic happens. You now have the power to design a sequence that will automatically follow up with contacts you meet at events, reducing the manual workload on your team while ensuring no leads fall through the cracks. When you click Create Sequence, HubSpot will present you with a variety of templates and options. For the purpose of today's task, select the option that is specifically labeled for following up with a prospect you met at a trade show or conference. This particular template streamlines the process by pre-populating a series of recommended communications, which you can customize to suit your brand's voice and specific business needs. Remember, effective automation requires thoughtful customization. Make sure your messages are personal and relevant, increasing the likelihood of engagement from your prospects. And there you have it, you've successfully set up an event-based automation in HubSpot. By leveraging this powerful feature, you can ensure that your follow-up communications are timely, consistent, and effective, helping to turn leads into long-term customers.